Stars, welcome back to Tiny Talk Time. I'm Miss Lily, and today we have a super curious story to tell you. It's called The Curious Cat, Learning Animal Names in English. Are you ready to learn and have fun?
Yay! I love animals! Miss Lily, is there a cat in the story?
Oh, yes, Leo. There's a very curious cat named Coco. She loves to explore the farm and meet all the animals. And as Coco meets new friends, we'll learn their English names together.
Meow! I'm ready, Miss Lily!
Perfect. So, children, repeat after me. Curious cat.
Curious cat.
Very good. Let's begin our story. One sunny morning, Coco the cat woke up early. She stretched her paws and looked around the barn. I wonder who's outside today, she purred. She decided to go on an adventure.
Coco is so brave!
Yes, she is. Coco walked outside, and the first animal she met was a big, gentle creature eating grass.
Oh, what's that animal, Miss Lily?
That's a cow. Repeat after me. Cow.
Cow.
Very good. The cow said, "Moo. Good morning, Coco." Coco smiled and said, "Good morning, cow." The cow smiled back. "Have a nice day." Then, Coco walked a bit further and saw a fluffy white animal jumping around.
That must be a rabbit!
That's right, Leo. In English, we say rabbit.
Rabbit!
Great job. The rabbit said, "Hop, hop, come play with me." Coco laughed and tried to hop too, but cats don't hop very well. Poor Coco! Then she saw a little pink animal rolling in the mud. Do you know what that is? Is it a pig? Yes, it's a pig. Say it with me. Pig. Pig. Oink, oink. That's perfect, Leo. The pig said, "Oink. Hello, Coco." Coco giggled and said, "Hello, pig." After that, Coco walked near the pond and heard quack, quack.
Oh, that's a duck!
Very good, Leo. Duck.
Duck!
The duck waved her wings and said, "Come swim with me." But Coco shook her head and said, "Cats don't like water."
That's true.
Then Coco saw something running fast across the yard. It had feathers and said, "Cluck, cluck."
Chicken!
Exactly. Chicken.
Chicken!
The chicken said, "Good morning, Coco." And Coco answered, "Good morning, chicken." After meeting so many animals, Coco felt happy but also hungry. Suddenly, she saw a small brown creature digging in the ground.
What's that, Miss Lily?
That's a dog. Say it with me. Dog. Dog. Woof, woof. Perfect, Leo. The dog barked happily and said, "Hello, Coco. Want to play?" Coco smiled and said, "Maybe later. I'm tired from all this walking."
Oh, poor Coco.
Coco went back to the barn and found a quiet corner to rest. She thought about all the animals she met that day. So many new friends, she purred.
He learned so many words today.
That's right. Let's help our listeners remember them. Ready, Leo?
Ready!
Repeat after us, kids. Cow.
Cow.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Pig.
Pig.
Duck.
Duck.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Dog.
Dog. Wow, I know them all now.
You did a wonderful job, Leo. And you too, little listeners. Coco the cat is proud of you. Meow! Thank you, Miss Lily. That was so fun! Before we finish, let's say today's sentence together. I love animals.
I love animals.
Excellent. And remember, every day is a chance to learn new English words, just like Coco, our curious cat. Thank you for listening to Tiny Talk Time. Don't forget to like, share, and come back for our next story. Bye-bye, little stars.
Bye, everyone! See you soon! Meow!